Jappy! Palakpakan po!
Give it up for Marvel vs. Capcom to finalists!
Let's get it on!
It's Marvel!
Okay,
Basic na ba, Storm?
Okay,
Ang mga all-time favorite!
the Sentinel, okay. The Silent, Dr. Doom, okay, Storm, and of course, Iron Man. Ayan.
Ulitin ko lang, si Jappy is the twice to beat advantage here.
Okay,
Okay, sige.
Ito na.
Simula ito!
Hop! Hop! Teka lang, Tem. Oh! Teka lang.
Oy!
Teka lang. Oy! Wala pa.
Sila.
Nakakaipunan pa lang. Nagkaka-chani-chani pa lang tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari doon, no?
Sutok.
Oy! Pinampahina ka
Grabe!
Pero tinransfer ka agad sa Headstone kay Storm.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday siya!
Hop!
Oy!
Teka lang.
Oy!
Nice moves to Hailstorm. Okay.
Okay. Grabe, ayaw magbigaya.
Okay, Hailstorm. Okay. Medyo magana agad si Dr. Doom. Pero tingnan natin. There's a lot of still going on with the Iron Super Orb. Another Hailstorm.
Okay. Ako po. At oy! Dali. Okay, Dr. Doom. Pumili pa ng mga storm.
There's a lot of assist going on. Tingnan natin. Ano magana? Let's go!
Oh, grabe.
Giovanna getting on the lead.
Iron Man. O, pasok.
Tingnan natin. Nasa labas na ang skill. Nagpapahinga. Okay. Pero still, tingnan natin. There's still a lot of going on here. Hailstorm. Okay.
Si Dr. Doom. Grabe si Dr. Doom. Huwag yung libot.
Tingnan si Dr. Doom. Magpapahinga ka na rin.
Ako po.
Nice Hailstorm.
Ingat. Sa snap ba?
Wala pa. Pero ito na. Cannon. Blast it.
Grabe naman tong si Iron Man. Nakahihita agad.
Pero sa side up, ito na.
Grabe. Follow up. Ay, wala follow up. Wala pa. Grabe.
Pero tingnan natin, Iron Man is on the pitch.
Grabe.
Pero still, Dr. Doom is on the pitch again.
Flashback.
Maraming buhay sa side up. Pero tingnan natin sa...
Ato niya ang tinatawag na.
You're on the big side. And the bottom
Grabe.
The switch. Nakalabas na dito si Magneto.
Grabe. Inubos yung super para na mapatahimik. Grabe.
Kaya sa darong damage. Pero tingnan natin. Back dito, marami pa rin pwedeng magawa.
Grabe to.
Marami pa pwedeng magawa.
Oy! Grabe.
For the win, and Chubby takes a...
At race to ilan to ulit? Race to 5. Ako, grabe.
Kaya tingnan natin to. Of course, tingnan natin kung makakaroon natin siya. Pero tingnan natin kung makakabahan pa rin ang combo.
Oh, grabe. Mag-ingat.
Let's go, boys. Going in again. Tingnan natin, baka muna yung magpapahinga ka na muna.
Grabe.
Kailangan mo na magpahinga kapatid. Ito na ang front of Gavin!
Napo.
Snowing.
Tinapos ka agad. Instant. Wala pa. Isa atin kayo masyado.
Storm yan.
Wala pa.
Marami. There's a hailstorm. Okay, hailstorm. Para magkaroon.
Mahirap talaga kapag sumasabit ng ganun.
There's another hailstorm.
Dr. Doom is a danger. Iron Man. Ako niya follow up. Follow up.
Pero follow up storm po. Another hailstorm.
Okay. Wala pa sa storm. That's a very good switch.
Storm pa lang. There's another hailstorm.
Storm, please. Oy!
Ayun na natin, storm.
Follow up. Super. Dr. Doom. Follow up. Buhay pa. Grabe. Si Jappy ay nag-iinit at ayaw magbigyan si JR Bata. Grabe.
Nice stop. Okay, nakasayag.
Oy! Grabe.
Again.
Oy!
It's not over if it's not over.
Yes.
Oh!
Tinapos na nga
Pero sa
Casual yun.
spectator side, grabe.
Casual ba ito, pre? Sobrang tindi ng laban.
Oy! Grabe! Ayan,
Iron Man. Pre, wag ka mo.
Ayan na! Ayan! Oh!
Oy, teka lang.
We're having
Mati ka din. Nawala yung chapter, pre. Di ko alam kung nangyari. Basta nawala.
Oh!
Nakabak is real. Grabe, JR Bata is on. Grabe, nag-init si JR Bata.
Okay, dito natin.
Ito, oy! Oh, wala pa. Grabe. Oy! Kaya pag gantong kainit yung Oy! 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 Grabe, goosebumps po si Max dito. Nakakulahan ang tapet. Oy! Oy! Robot Cannon!
Pero paano mo Hailstorm?
Oy! Boy pa! Oy! Grabe! Sayang!
Pero tinatin ko mga...
Oy! Oy! Oy!
Teka lang, okay.
Teka lang. Oy! Oy! Grabe, that's a nice counter from Jer Bata.
Okay,
Oh, nakakait dito si Javi. Yes. Oy! 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 Grabe naman ba? Grabe ang insert yun.
Nag-iinit na. Eto na.
Ang aggressive.
Okay. There's another good Hailstorm there from Yabata.
Grabe si Jer Bata. Pagpasok sa store, hindi na nabuhay. Grabe.
Okay, good. Okay, may
Ito talaga.
distance.
Ganito ang kalibre ng MVC2. Grabe.
Okay, good.
Kaya naman, Storm is trying to. Delikado! Lalo!
And now, ang store ni Yabata. Ente natin.
Ito, Sailak. Pero, Nakapitaw, nakapitaw. Okay. Okay. Oy! Grabe naman ang challenge. Di pa. Okay. Sailak, ball pa yung Sailak. Oy! Nice! Super! Grabe. Grabe din Sailak. Grabe din Sailak. Pinapahirapan niya pa si Iron Man at si Dr. Duke. Grabe.
And we still have 30 seconds on the clock.
Yes, mahaba pa yan. Mahal mo kailangan. And Sailak is doing a great job of evading Iron Man.
Yes. Kailangan
Ito.
ito para
Grabe. Oh! Tatalo pero hindi gumagak ang bobo. And so far, Sailak is doing a great job. Ay, nahuli sa init. Kumitaw, super. Grabe. Sailak is doing a great job holding her own against
There's
Iron
not a
Man.
lot of time left and it's just 10 seconds.
Grabe. Wow!
Nakadami pa
1 is to 1. Sailak
7
versus
seconds
Dr.
on the
Duke.
clock. Tingnan natin ano magagawa ngayon ng manubra ni Sailak.
5 4 seconds.
There's a surprise launch there.
Pre, I think tayo naman yung dapat humiga. What if yung kanina? Grabe to. Ibang klaseng laban yun. Ibang klaseng laban to talaga.
Okay. So right now we have both Kevin Cruz at
Tapos bagay na bagay pa yung background music.
Yes.
Sobrang gandang match na to. Yes, kahit yung music, nakikihype.
Oh,
Yes. Oy, pag ito super. Oy, palo. Delikado. Dr. Doom na dali ng super ni Storm. Oy, Otto Cannon. Palo. Madali si Storm. Okay.
That's a good shot. Nagtangkaraw sila ng Storm.
Super. Okay, naka-block. Alexis. Okay.
Okay na tayo.
Flexing pareho. Okay, super. Okay. They're both flexing. Dumidistansya pareho. Super. Challenge. Nahuli. Oh, pero hindi nakahulaw. Okay. Saila is doing.
Oh,
Oy!
ayun na!
Oy! Eto na! Oy! Super! Oh my God! Follow up! With Saila! Follow up! Magino! Still alive! Panlabas na sa buwan. Okay.
We still have 50 seconds on the clock. Takbo pa rin ang character nila.
Yes, Storm is in danger. Pero hindi siya magkaroon ng pagkakataon para ipalit. Okay, pumasok si. Okay, defense. Okay, flexing ulit. Okay. They're getting up.
Right now, Jackie has level
Manilang Peter, super.
Alright, ngayon, parang yan ang level one.
Ikot ko.
Tingnan natin. Oh, super! Nice hailstorm there.
Okay, oy!
Magino, down for the count. 35 seconds on the clock. Meron tayo magagawa.
Oy, oy.
Storm, okay, pushing.
Four, super. Okay. Okay. Storm. Nadali si Storm ng Storm.
Nadali si Storm sa kanya. Hailstorm.
Nadali si Storm ng Stormy Storm. Oh my gosh.
Pero right now, Silang is not on the good location.
Yes, natamaan sa madami. Grabe naman yung, grabe yung chat ni Dr. Duke. Ang
Now, a
ate.
lot of time on the clock. We have
50 seconds, super.
Go! Robert Cannavaro! Pero kung natin, marami
Oh,
pa rin
this time.
Pero Jackie's on the
10 seconds is there.
Grabe.
Grabe.
Hindi natin kung ano mangyayari. There's still a lot of things that we don't have.
7 seconds. 5, 4,
I think Jackie able to
Go.
Pero,
One.
oy, mahabol
Oy,
pa.
grabe.
Mahabol pa. Pero
Oy,
1 second na lang.
Oy!
Almost.
By a decision. Oh, grabe. Jappy wins. Okay.
Saka mapapansin mo kanina yung transition dun sa ayaw nila magkaroon ng every possibility na makakasal sila mga combo para
Yes. Mahirap kasi pag na-internet eh. Once the break of defense, kaya niyan, dadali si Marito. Mekos, as early as now, pero
Ayun na, wala na.
the Airbacker have shown us na even with 2 characters, he could still win. So, it's too early.
Pero nakabawi si Scott.
Yes.
Okay.
Oy, 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 oy! Close to Miracles, pero hindi. Storm is oy, grabe, sumasagot pa rin si oy!
Nice
Super!
shot of Cannon to another hailstorm.
Nice counter from Syla.
That's a very good assist right there.
Yes.
Pero tataas din ng hailstorm.
Grabe.
Pero kailangan maging sa JR baka rito dahil
Grabe ka.
Not of health remaining sa kanya.
Yes.
Storm.
Okay, infiltrating. Good defense from Storm. Okay,
Okay,
that's
nice counter attack. Pero
Oy!
that's
Oy!
the most difficult
Oh my gosh.
That's
Follow up. Dr. Duke.
Dr. Duke.
Nice. That was a quick win from Jappy. Storm is in danger. Gerbata in danger.
Grabe yung storm elimination and storm.
Grabe. Oh, Dr. Duke is trying to save the distance.
Sobrang yung pagkakataon.
Grabe, it's 4-2 in favor of Jappy.
Countless times again in the day. Tournaments.
Yes. Nababaliktad.
Laging nababalik lang
Sa
sa
distant round, he did with Syla. Unexpected yun, grabe. Oy!
Ay, ayun na!
Ay, nabusa!
Ito na nakakabawi na.
Yan ang abay
This
sinasabi
is the
natin.
beginning of the comeback of J.R. Bata. And immediately he will manage to approach
Grabe, di na pinagalaw si Iron Man. Oh! Grabe. That was quick.
Pero ito, they still have a lot of meters left.
Grabe. Oh,
Nice
super.
hailstorm.
Nice storm. Pero nakasalag si Iron Man. Ay, ball cannon. Oh!
Nice time to storm.
Okay. Yeah. Ginamit na defensive yung super. Kasi mahirap eh. Pag nakapunta sa likod, free shot yun. Oy! Ay! Nadali!
Okay, up.
Nalancer. Oh, oh. Ako po, dalawang pins natin. Now, JR Bata is leading the match. Grabe! Oy! still.
Grabe, magaling.
Switch!
That's a very good switch to Iron Man.
Yeah, I agree with that timing. Naging opening siya para kay Dr. Doom.
That gives you a ton of damage though, and right now Iron Man is almost one for dalawa yung attack.
Oh! That was a very effective super. Buti po, parang Iron Man was there.
And ito,
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Psylocke is in danger. Now we only
I
have
think
four.
this could be it.
This is it?
I think
Is this it? Oh!
Pero tinanalo
Not yet! Not yet! Oh! No! Oh! Not yet! Oh! Oh my gosh! Jared Bata is trying!
He's doing it!
He's doing it! Jared Bata! Oy! He's trying! Both of them are on the verge! Oh! Oh my gosh! This is... Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Super! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh!
Another miracle! Ay!
Grabe! Thank you dun sa ating mga viewers!
Okay, nice one.
Okay.
Okay, smart.
Mga uwi, ingat po kayo sa mga hindi pa at mga rito! Oy! 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 Nako! Nako! Oy! Grabe to! Ang tindi! Ang tindi! Ang aga! Oy! Jared Bata has owned the first quarter already. Pero Jappy is not giving this match up that easily. Pumapalag pa. May ball sa ere. Tatalo si Erman. Oy! Nice super. Follow up with Dr. Doom. Okay, fair match ulit.
Pero right now, JR Bata has a max meter and Johnny has 3 meters.
Yes, ang laking bagay niya relax. Kanina, that's what made Storm win. He has multiple super. Ginamit to capitalize the strength of the characters. Oh! That was a happy birthday! Oy! Storm is in danger. Oh, nice switch!
Nice switch.
Grabe yun.
Match ang super ni Syla.
Oy!
Kanina po mga parang lasang segundo. Nagkabasahan.
Oy! 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 Oy!